Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make iced tea boba. Start by brewing your tea base. Choose your favorite, like a robust black tea or a fragrant jasmine green tea. Steep about 2 tea bags or 2 tablespoons of loose leaf tea in 1 cup of hot water for 3 to 5 minutes. This ensures a strong flavor that won't be diluted by ice. Once steeped, let it cool down completely. This step is crucial for a refreshing iced tea boba. Next, let's prepare those delightful tapioca pearls. Bring about 4 cups of water to a rolling boil, then add 1/2 cup of pearls. Cook them for 5 to 7 minutes until they're perfectly chewy and float to the top. Drain and rinse them with cool water. Then, soak them in a simple syrup for at least 15 minutes. This adds a lovely sweetness to each pearl. Now for the fun part, assembling your boba drink. First, spoon about 1/4 cup of your sweet tapioca pearls into a tall glass. Fill the glass with plenty of ice. Then, pour in 1 cup of your chilled, brewed tea. Add about 1/4 cup of milk or a non-dairy alternative for that creamy texture. Finally, sweeten it to your liking with a touch of simple syrup or honey. The best part about homemade boba is customization. Feel free to experiment with different tea types, like a refreshing green tea or a fruity hibiscus blend. You can also try various milk alternatives, such as oat or almond milk, for different textures and flavors. Don't forget to add fruit purees or flavored syrups if you like. Serve immediately with a wide straw and enjoy your delicious creation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.